Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Chivalry 2 game crashing or crashing at startup, lagging, showing black screen, freezing issue on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to restart your PC. So for that, click on the Windows icon over here. Now click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC once. After your PC restarts, check if you can launch the game. If not, next method is to modify launch options. So for that, go to Epic Games. Under library section, here you have to select your game. Now click on the three dot icon, then click on manage, and here you can see launch option. You have to enable it and have to type -dx11 and then launch the game and check if it's working. If not, again come back, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and see if this resolves the problem. If the issue still occurs, come back, remove the launch option and move to the next method. The next method is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for device manager. Here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once done, launch the game. Nvidia and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to run game as administrator. So open Epic Games, select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility and select run this program as an administrator. Click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check. If this doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, select run this program in compatibility mode for, select Windows 8 or previous version Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and then launch the game. If the issue still occurs, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK and then launch the game and check if this is working now. If the issue still occurs, come back, uncheck all of the selected ones, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Epic Games. Under library section, select your game, click on the three dot icon, click on manage and here you can see verify option. Simply click on it and it will take some time. After the game files is verified, now try to launch the game and check. If not, next is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the Windows search over here. Now search for Windows security. Here you have to click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall. Now click on change settings. Now after that, here you have to search for the game if it's listed. If you cannot find the game, don't worry, click on allow another app, click on browse. After that, go to the game folder where your game has been installed, select the game application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding it, select it, make sure both public and private boxes are ticked and then click on OK. After that, launch the game and check. If not, next is to disable third-party overlay applications. So if there is any third-party overlay applications enabled like Nvidia Shadow Play or MS Afterburner, then you should disable it. This can lead to unexpected issue while playing the game. Next solution is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates option and it will check if there is any update available. If there is any update your Windows to the latest version and after that try to launch the game and check. If not, next method is to disable antivirus program. So if you are having an antivirus program, then it can interrupt in your gameplay and can lead to such kind of issues. Because the antivirus programs can block the game and you cannot play. So it's suggested to check the settings of that particular program or disable it to play the game hassle-free. Next solution is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already given this link in the description. You have to just copy and paste it in your browser. Website opens, go below. From here you have to download the Visual C++ files. After it is downloaded, you have to open it and you will get repair or install option. Click on repair and wait for some time unless you get setup successful message. Now close this. After that, restart your PC once. After restarting, launch the game once again and then check if you can play it. If not, next method is to close unnecessary background tasks. For that, go to the Windows search over here. Now search for task manager. Here under process tab, here you have to search for those apps which are of no use but still running in the background. You simply have to select them and after selecting it, right click on it, click on end task and this will completely close the app from your system that is running in the background. After that, try to launch the game and check. If not, next method is to increase virtual memory. For that, go to the Windows search for view advanced system settings. Click on settings, click on advanced, click on change. Here you have to select the drive where your game has been installed. After that, select custom size. In the initial size, you have to type 12288 and in the maximum size you have to type 24576. Click on set and then click on OK. Finally, launch the game and check if this helps to resolve the problem. If not, next method is to run the game as dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search for graphics settings. Now here you have to add your game to the list. So for that, you have to click on add a desktop app. Now after that, go to the game folder where your game has been installed, select the game application, add it to the list over here. After adding it, click on the arrow icon and under GPU preference, you have to select high performance. And after that, try to launch the game and check if this resolves the problem. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Chivalry 2 game. For that, go to Epic Games. Under library section, select your game. Here you have to click on the 3 dot icon, then click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. So this will completely remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC once. Once your PC restarts, launch Epic Games and reinstall Chivalry 2 game once again and click on the play button to check if it's working or not. So these are few suggested solutions to fix Chivalry 2 game crashing at startup, lagging, showing black screen, freezing, low FPS issue on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.